What is this?
Hey, it's a STEMMA Sunday, but it's also an STM Sunday. I'm trying out the STM32F405 Feather that we designed a couple weeks ago, put together some prototypes. It's a nice, fast 168 megahertz Cortex M4 from ST. And I put a STEMMA connector on it, so you can see this really nice little plug-and-play Qwiic or STEMMA QT compatible, connected to an accelerometer, MSA301. So what's neat is we were building CircuitPython for it. So you can see it shows up as a disk drive and the files appear here.
Yep.
And then I've got it open in Moo, which is their CircuitPython editor of choice. And you can see down here, Feather F405. And I've got the CircuitPython code for reading acceleration data and printing it from the MSA301. You can see it's like super short code. It could even be shorter if I wanted to, but I like to make sure everything's clear. And let's run this code. So Control D, getting data coming out, and then thanks to the awesome plotter, I'm going to click this plotter button, bang, and we can see plotter data, and then as I twist the accelerometer around, the data is streaming real time to the plotter through CircuitPython, through the Feather STM32F405.
All right.
Pretty epic.
Good work.